Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I am going to show you the live price changes occurs in a Pundi X in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. What's the price changes? What's the high price of Pundi X in the last 1 hour, 2 hour? I will show you in this video. So before starting this video, kindly hit the subscribe button now and hit my 3K subscriber. If you listen my voice, please make sure subscribe my channel. Please make sure subscribe my channel. I request you. Now let's see what's the Pundi X price changes in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. Let's see the price changes of Pundi X. As you can see here, first of all, we look the last 1 hour changes of Pundi X. As you can see here, that is the loading. So kindly hit the subscriber. As you can see now, that is the live Pundi X price changes in the last 2 hours you are watching now on the screen. First of all, we look the chart of the Pundi X. What's the changes occur in the chart of Pundi X? As you can see here, the Pundi X charts going upward, but now currently they are falls down if you see on the screen on the chart. So that's mean the Pundi X falls down in the last 2 hours. Their falling time start in the last hour. As you can see here, falls down, falls down. I'm nothing say about what's the future goes. As the future goes, Pundi X up or down. I'm nothing say about this, but I'm telling you about the current situation of Pundi X. The Pundi X currently falling down. The dumping time of Pundi X starts now. As you can see here, the change is positive because the previous hours, the previous day, the previous 4 hours, 12 hours, they are jumping upward. That is why the price is in positive. As you can see here, positive 2.1% changes occur in the Pundi X in the last 1 hour. As you can see here, and the high price of Pundi X in the previous 2 hours is about $0.007952. Dollar is the high price of Pundi X in the previous 2 hours. So that's the live result of Pundi X of the last 2 hours. Now let's see what's the change occur in the last 1 hour of the Pundi X. Let's see the last hour result of the Pundi X. Oh my god, as I told you, that's the Pundi X now currently falls down. As you can see here, if you look the graph of the Pundi X, so it's tell us clearly that's it's time of dumping of the Pundi X. As you can see here, very badly, very fastly falls down. As you can see, gradually falls down with a hour by hour. Now the falling of the Pundi X now currently is continuously falls. They are continuously falls down because the falling of the Pundi X starts from this period. As you can see here, the changes of Pundi X, absolutely, I'm very sorry for that. Very bad news for all Pundi X holders. I'm sorry to say that. The changes is about negative 2.71% occur in the last 1 hour. Just think about that last hour result of a Pundi X. Negative 2.71% change occur in a Pundi X in a market of cryptocurrency. So it's clear. My suggestion to sell it before you lose more amount of money. So my suggestion is to sell it. What's your suggestion? Please share in the comment box with the ABS Tech channel. If we see the high price of Pundi X in the last 1 hour, so it's about $0.007952 is the high price of Pundi X in the last 1 hour. So that's the live price changes occurs in the last 1 hour, 2 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you listen to my voice, please don't ignore my words and click the subscribe button right now. And thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected.